Welcome back to the world of dump cake. And for today's dump cake, I'm going to be making something scrumptious, a Reese's peanut butter cup dump cake. Spray that pan. First thing that goes in is 3 of these chocolate pudding cups, right in the bottom. I've melted a 1/3 cup of peanut butter that I'm going to pour on top. Next, I need a bag of Reese's mini peanut butter cups. Beep, 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 beep. Dump. Some chocolate fudge cake mix sprinkled evenly on top. Drizzle a can of evaporated milk evenly over the top. Cut up a stick of butter. Now I'm going to arrange those slices evenly on top. Then I just bake it in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Peanut butter cup dump cake. Wow. You gotta love a good dump.